Right, this mini set is perfect for kids. There's a couple of toys that you need to be aware about. Now, the great thing about it has all these little tools and these things to actually put together as puzzle pieces. You could take them off. They're working condition. This requires batteries and it's an actual drill. You could drill stuff to the top, to the bottom, and there's an actual workbench, more stuff in the bottom too. All puzzle pieces, perfect for gifts, kids of all ages. And it comes with a little bench, I forgot to tell you. Very simple to put together. Instructions are easy. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
That would be the line. You go back to the umpire, you say, look, you missed it. He's like, well, you're swinging at pitches out of the zone before that, so.
You gotta put it
7:30. Years ago, we used to take French toast sticks and hit them in like I was getting there. Okay. All right, let's get it. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's like 1, 1, 1. Yeah.